Hello dear Scorpios, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading from 1st of July till 10th of July. Please keep in mind this might or might not resonate with you as these are general. And the second thing that the roles can be reversed anytime, okay? The energies can be reversed also. Let's start with your reading Scorpio. Your partner's current energy right now is, let's see. Your partner's current energy right now is, what's your partner's current energy right now, Scorpio? Five of Cups. I feel like right now your partner is deeply lost. Okay, this is their current energy. They are missing you very much. Might be they're missing you, or might be they're going through some kind of bad phase in their life. Something happened in their life that made them really broke. Okay, lost, and they are grieving and they are disappointed. So if it is making you happy that they are disappointed and they are grieving something and they are in this painful situation right now, I don't feel like this is a happy news for anybody, but yes, right now this person is grieving some kind of loss in their life, and right now this person is not at all happy. Let's clarify the Five of Cups in their current energy. Let's clarify the Five of Cups. Six of Cups, Nine of Cups, Nine of Swords. Okay, so I feel like yes, this person is basically missing you. Okay, this person is missing the memories with you. This person is still having lots of emotions for you, lots of love for you, and this person is very stressed and anxious over you. Okay, or over this connection overall. So I feel like this person is right now not able to understand what is happening with them actually. This is the situation here. Okay, this is the Six of Cups. It is telling me that this person is very nostalgic and missing you, and the Knight of Cups is telling me that this person is still carrying lots of emotions for you, and Nine of Swords is telling me that this person is really stressed over you, anxious over you, and this person might not be able to reach you, or they want to communicate with you, but they're not getting any kind of a signal, or they're not getting what to say to you. This is the situation. That's why this person is right now feeling very sad and depressed and lost. Let's see what's your current energy, Scorpio. Your current energy right now is, Scorpio, your current energy right now is Nine of Pentacles. Okay, you're trying your best to focus on yourself, your independence, your work, your money, your looks, your everything. So you are right now trying your best to focus on yourself. This is the Nine of Pentacles energy, and I feel like you're going through some kind of good phase regarding your financial life, not emotional life, financial life. You're looking good. You might be a social media influencer or something, and people are following you. You are really enjoying the you are really enjoying the, what should I say, you are being the center of attraction right now, and you're really enjoying whatever is coming towards you. I'm not getting the exact word here, so this is what I'm saying to you. So it is like you are feeling like a celebrity right now, celebrity of your own world. Might be a real celebrity if by any chance any celebrity is going to watch it. Okay, so the King of Cups and the Nine of Pentacles and the Eight of Swords. Okay, so I feel like in terms of emotions, you are also carrying lots of emotions for yourself, for your life. You are being very enthusiastic and very passionate about your life, regarding your business, regarding your job. But as it comes to love, I feel like you're very slow. You are taking a very slow approach towards love, towards feelings, towards emotions, because you are mentally conflicted, mentally very conflicted, Scorpio. You are feeling like I am in some kind of jail related, regarding my love life, regarding my emotions. There's something that is still not yet that much revealed to you. There's something that is still haunting you again and again regarding your love life. That's why you're trying your best to focus on yourself, or to shift your focus on yourself at least. This is the situation. Let's see what this person feels for you, Scorpio. Their feelings for you. Their feelings for you. Ten of Cups. This person feels like you are their family, you are their partner, you are their spouse. This is their feelings for you. Very beautiful feelings of love and care and having a family with you. So this person, whomsoever you are connected with, this person is feeling like they should get married to you, or if you guys are already married, this person is feeling like you are the right partner for them, perfect partner for them. They are carrying lots of beautiful and content feelings for you. they're feeling like you're a family. This is the thing, okay? Ace of Cups and the Four of Wands and the Strength. Could be dealing with a Leo. So I feel like yeah, this person is carrying lots of love emotions for you. This person wants to have stable life with you. You know, they want to have disciplined and organized life with you. They want to celebrate life with you. And I feel like right now this person is holding back, although they are feeling like yes, you are their family, you have the potential to become their partner, you are a marriage material for them, but still I feel like this person is acting courageous and this person is holding back because they feel like might be this is not the right time to connect with you. But what they feel for you, they feel that you are their family, they feel that you are their spouse, they feel that you can be the mother of their kids or father of their kids. Beautiful feelings, okay, of love. Let's see what this person wants from you, Scorpio. Let's see what this person wants from you. Let us see. Five of Wands. I feel like this person wants you to end this conflict and this battle as it is not going anywhere. Okay. So I feel like this person wants you to, move forward and do some, give them some kind of solution regarding this battle, which is that's going on between you guys. This is what they want, and might be they just want to put an end to this, and they want it from you. So they want it. It is like I'm not getting the exact word. I don't know why. Maybe it's morning 7:30. That's why. So I feel like this person wants you to end the battle. Basically, let's clarify. Wheel of Fortune, Four of Pentacles, and the Ace of Pentacles. Yes, this person wants you to end this battle and leave everything on the universe and start this connection all over again. And this person wants you to, release the control. Release the control. I feel like right now you're trying to control each and everything, even other person's life as well. Okay, might be a partner is feeling like you are ruling them, you are ruling their life as well. It's not in a negative way, it's in a positive way, but you have to release the control. Okay, you have to release the control. You have to be open and honest with yourself and your partner as well, and they want you to start this connection all over again. This person wants you to give a second chance to this connection and end the conflict and the battle between you guys, because it's not going anywhere. So this is the situation here. Let's see what to expect from this person till the 10th of July. What to expect from this person till 10th of July, Scorpio. Let's see what to expect from this person till the 10th of July. Let's see. Nine of Swords. Okay, I feel like there's some kind of anxiety and stress. There's some kind of negativity coming in towards you from this person regarding this particular person. Might be you are going to feel the energy that they are feeling right now. This is anxiousness, this is stress, this is restlessness. That this is not being able to sleep or able to decide, and just I feel like right now this person is focused on the negative aspect of life only, and that's why they are carrying this energy and coming forward to you with the same energy. This is the situation here. Let's clarify. Justice could be dealing with the Libra, Two of Pentacles, and with Lovers. Okay, so this person wants to do justice with this connection, and they are juggling. They are constantly juggling between a decision of approaching you or not to approach you, approaching you or not to approach you. So I feel like this person might or might not approach to you, but you can feel the vibes that there is something that is not going on well with them, and there's something that they are very very stressed about. And I feel like might be you will be able to solve this mystery and you will be able to talk to this person. Then this relationship has a chance to grow again if you are willing to do that. Okay, from your side, if you are going to do if you are going to take the first move from your side, it's going to be little easier for both of you. This is the situation here. So Scorpio, thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you. Namaste. I hope this really will give you the insight that you are seeking for. And do let me know in the comment section below. I will try my best to start my channel in Hindi as well. But right now, as of now, it's not possible. But really thankful to you guys for being with me. Thank you. God bless you. Namaste.